What's going on, guys? Phil here from the Sydney Trains Vlogs channel. I'm here at Wickham. This station's going to be the new terminus for the Central Coast Newcastle line, coming Boxing Day this year. And as you can tell, the sun is starting to set. So when a train comes from that way, I don't think I'm going to be able to film facing this way, so I'll just have to film it departing. Here we've got Hunterset J1 arriving into platform number 1 here at Wickham. Here we have V15 departing platform number 2 here at Wickham, Newcastle service, stopping Civic and Newcastle only. We've got Hunterset J6 departing platform number 2, Newcastle service, stopping Civic, Newcastle only. Got an Endeavour N4. Got Hunterset J6 arriving into platform number 1, Maitland service. VZ V17 arriving into platform number 2. Newcastle service stopping at Civic and Newcastle only. The VZ is now departing platform number 2. Again, it's a Newcastle service stopping at Civic and Newcastle only. V49 is the rear 4 cars. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. I'll see you all in the Wickham night vlog. Goodbye for now.